Hello everybody, and we are now in chapter 4 of our medical terminology textbook, and we are starting on the musculoskeletal system. Now chapter 4, it is put into two parts, so this is going to be part 1 or part A, because the first part is all about the skeletal system. So our skeletal system is all about bones, all the bones in our body. Are the joints and the ligaments. So a joint is when two or more bones connect. And that's how we move things. Woo! Just kidding. That was my cheerleading days. Okay, but that's what the definition of a joint is, when two or more bones are connected. And that's those ligaments that connect those bones to form a joint. So here is another very funny, riveting, short video on the skeletal system. Watch it. You are required to watch it because some of your quiz questions will actually come from this video. So pause this video. Actually, I'm going to stop the video to give you a minute to click on this link.